Hey you and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to get the API token on Deriv. And right now we are here in Deriv, and if you can see, it's quite difficult to find right here where we can get the API token. So what I'm going to do is go to Google and type in right here API token Deriv. There we go. And then you see right here the Deriv API. Then we can select right here explore templates. And make sure that you log in right here with your account, because then what we are going to do is we click right here on API token, and now we can create ourselves an API token. So I fill in right here API test 1. Now we can do an expiration date. So let's do expiration date right here. And then we can select right here the select authorization scope. So let's do for trades, let's do for payments and account management. Now you can also do application insights if you want to do that. And then we do right here create token. Then right now he tells us your API token has been generated. Make sure to copy it now as you won't be able to see it again. So copy it right here to clipboard. Then after that you can click right here on done. And then what you're going to do is you can use that API token right here for whatever you want it. So this is how you can get the API token right here from Deriv. Hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.